Hey guys, what's up? Today I have this look for you guys. It is literally my go-to look for any event, anytime I have to get ready really quickly. It is just perfect. It's classic, it's really nice, it's dewy, it's light. You can definitely change up the lip, you can change up the lashes. I love how everything works so well together. So if you'd like to see my go-to signature look, go ahead and keep watching. Today I'm going to be doing the Lancome Skin So Good Tint / Foundation. This was like a low-key launch because I have not heard of it until I went into Nordstrom. But it works so well. It is so lightweight, such good coverage, buildable, and it just feels super duper hydrating. So I'm applying that right onto my face in 2 layers. And now I'm going into the ColourPop Golden 40 No Filter Concealer. This one is bomb. I love the way that it's so light, but it really packs a lot of punch to it. So if you leave that on for a little bit, it will really sink in and you'll get a very light under eye area. I love it. So I'm just blending that out. And I'm going to go ahead and set that with my RCMA No Color Powder. As you see here, I switched the containers of it, but it still works so well. I love it. And I love setting this setting on top of my eyes with this as well, because it just gives it something really nice for the shadows to hold on to. Now with the Anastasia Ebony Dip Brow Pomade, I'm just filling in my brows and really pushing it up, and now I'm concealing with the same ColourPop concealer. I'm obsessed! Now with the Double Entendre palette from ColourPop, I'm going into the color Extracurricular, right, all over in the transition area, in the crease, everywhere, and then going into Hard with a smaller brush just to precisely add it into my crease area and then blend it in. We want to slowly build up the color, so one color at a time, really building it into the crease and really blending it out as you go along. It'll make such a difference. Now with Teddy Bear, it's a really dark brown color. I'm just concentrating that towards the ends very lightly and then just building it up. Now in this clip you didn't see me applying it, but this is when I had the concealer and I just did a cut crease, but not really a cut crease, it's more of like a cut lid. It's just right on the lid and not winged out. If you do make a mistake like I did there where I put it on and then the color just got right on top, just blend it out quickly with your finger or Q-tip and then apply a little bit of shadow. And then of course you'll want to keep blending. Now this is the CATRICE Liquid Metal Eyeshadow in the color 030 We Are the Champagnes. It is so nice, especially when you spray it with some Fix Plus or setting spray. It works so well on top of the lids. Now with mascara, I'm applying that to my lashes just to prep, and then I'm going to go ahead and use that same Hard color and Teddy Bear right underneath my eyes to smoke it out. The lashes that I'm going to use are from the EYELURE collection, the Vlogger series, and these ones are from KRAZY RAYRAY, and I really like that. Now with the Secret Boudoir, I'm just applying that into my waterline. That is from Sephora. It's my favorite nude waterline liner, you guys. Get on that. So now afterwards, I'm just applying a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes because you guys know how much I love that. And this product right here is the Studio Fix Powder in C5 from MAC Cosmetics. I love using that to brighten up my under eye. And of course, it wouldn't be my tutorial without Refined Golden from MAC. So now I'm going into the Desi x Katie collection from Dosa Colors. This color is in Fuego. That's my highlighter. And I love this because it's so like liquidy and it literally looks like skin. I'm obsessed. So now with the Wet n Wild Cream Blush, I'm just applying this onto my Real Technique blush and applying that to my cheekbones. Using this product and just cream blushes in general are so nice because they leave your skin really nice and hydrated looking. Applying a little bit more highlight and then a little highlight underneath my brow bone. Especially with this one, it just looks so natural and so like regal. Now with Trendsetter from Huda Beauty, I'm applying that all over my lips and then deepening it up with some KIKO Cosmetics 314, which is like a dupe for Chestnut lip liner from MAC. It's just a really dark brown. And then right on top of that, I'm going to go into ColourPop's 951 liquid lipstick. It is a nice pinky nude. So cute. And then to finish the look off, I'm going in with ColourPop's Curvy Lip Gloss. This one is bae.